Hey KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So my hair is freshly washed and into 8 plaits just so it can be stretched for this hairstyle. As you can see, my hair is still damp with water. So I'm just going to be using the perfect oil to seal in that moisture, moisture, get it? And I'm just going to be doing that for each section. I'm gonna add the perfect oil by Silk 2 and I'm gonna be combing through the hair for knots and tangles. By the way, that's water and oil sitting on top of my hair. It's not flake. I have low porosity hair, so that's how products sit on top of my hair. So now I'm going to be using the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel just so I could get my hair looking laid and slayed, no flyaways. Also, I'm going to be doing my hair in sections just so I can get everything looking neat together. In sections, it makes everything look better. You can do whatever or however works for you, but if I want that smooth, sleek look, I have to do my hair in sections. Another thing though, I'm not gonna be using too much gel on each section because me no wanna build up in my head top. So a little bit goes a long way. So just take time with it, not too much on each section. Then you see how me a struggle? Then suppose me never did do it in a section. My hand them would a drop off. Look pan good face. My glad me come out for see this. This make history. Look on my face the way me a struggle. So now I'm gonna put it in a bun. Look at my hang time. I say sango. But yeah, I couldn't get my bun to be any smaller than that. It doesn't even matter because the hair is big. Now I'm gonna be adding more gel just so I can tie my hair with a scarf. So adding the gel after the ponytail makes everything laid, all flyaways. So basically the scarf is just to seal in everything. You can tie your hair for like 15 to 20 minutes and trust me, your hairstyle will last a very long time. Now I'm gonna be using the Xpression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist color number 1. As you can see, it's 3 bundles in the pack. Look how natural this hair looks. It looks just like my hair texture. I think this hair can work for any type 4 hair. So I'm just gonna be using a hair tie around the hair to make a like a ponytail drawstring type thing. And this is how I got my ponytail. This is a true definition of laid and slayed. Anyways, I'm gonna be wrapping the ponytail holder around my bun. Then I'm gonna be taking some of the hair to wrap around the ponytail just to secure the hair on top of my head. Now I'm gonna be pulling the hair apart just to make it look more natural. And then I'm gonna be using a couple bobby pins in the back just to make sure it's secured. My hairstyles are never complete without my edges done. You don't have to do your edges. I choose to do mine, so that's what I'm doing right now, just to make it look a little more dressed, presentable. And then I'm gonna add a little clip, well, 2 clips, the rhinestone clips, just to give it a little spice. Anyways, if you're looking to purchase this hair, I'm gonna leave 3 links down below in the description box where you could get this hair to purchase. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and hit that bell to get notification when I post videos. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye. Respect we are.